In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your background image fixed while scrolling in WordPress. This effect can add a professional touch to your website's design by allowing the background to remain static as the content scrolls over it, creating a sense of depth. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. If you're not sure how to do this, just navigate to your website's URL and add wp-admin to the end of it. On the login page, enter your username and password to access the backend of your site. Once you're in, look on the left-hand side for the Appearance tab. Click it, and then go to Customize. This will take you to your theme's customization options. Now, within the Customize section, you should see various options like Site Identity, Colors, and Background Image. Click on Background Image to enter the section where you can upload or adjust a background image. If you already have a background image uploaded that you'd like to keep fixed, great. If not, click on Add New Image to select one from your media library or upload one from your computer. Remember, a high-quality image will make a difference, but be cautious about file size, as larger images can potentially slow down your site's loading time. Once you've selected your background image, you'll notice several settings to adjust. Look for an option that says Background Attachment. This setting usually defaults to Scroll, but we want to change it to Fixed. By setting it to Fixed, you ensure that as users scroll down your page, the image will stay stationary, allowing only the text and other content to move. After setting the background attachment to Fixed, make sure to click Publish at the top of the customization window. This action saves all your changes and updates your live website. It's always a good idea to visit your site after making changes to check how everything looks. Go ahead and open up your site in a new tab, then scroll down to see if the background image stays in place. If you encounter any issues or the background still scrolls, go back to your WordPress dashboard and double-check your settings. Before wrapping up, here's a quick reminder, the specifics can vary slightly depending on the theme you're using, so if things don't look exactly like I described, don't worry. Just explore the options and customize, as the basic method remains consistent across most themes. There you have it. With these simple steps, you now know how to create a visually appealing fixed background effect on your WordPress website. I hope you found this guide helpful. And if you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.